Hey guys, I'm here to react to Nature's new song called I'm So Pretty, and I'm ready. This looks beautiful, like the thumbnail is just so pretty, so I'm excited. Let's go. Starting off with an epic chandelier that TVH I want in my room. Oh, okay. That's one way to start a music video. Obnoxiously blowing a horn at the audience, I love it. Okay, it's so upbeat already. That's so cute. They have their own little compartment. As if like they're dolls in a Barbie house, kinda. So bright and colorful. Ooh. Catchy. It's so energetic. This is such like a pumped up song. I love that. It's definitely like very energizing. Oh, I love her look. Cute. Forever young, that's cute. Oh, I love her dress, the yellow and black dress. So they are like virtually in a Barbie house pretty much. Oh my god. Chess with lipsticks. You know I'm gonna try that one day, you know. Oh, this is so pretty. Does she have a tail? Or am I crazy? Oh, the chandeliers and the shoe. Oh my god. Geese. Oh, she was drawing one, right? It all like connected. Oh, that's pretty. Wait, they have little ties. That's so cute. I got the outfit. I love that skirt too. Wow, all the fashion is amazing. And makeup. Why do they have tails? And there's a chandelier hanging from the sky apparently. Totally valid. Oh, that was a cute clip. Ooh! They say like always be careful, and then the next phrase I missed. But what's with the tail? Seriously. Nature are furries. Welcome to the club. Alright, that was stunning. So pretty. It was such a high energy song. Like, I'm so tired today, but like I feel a little more pumped after that. Well, you know, like it kind of worked a little bit. But it was definitely like very energizing. It's very pretty. And they just looked stunning. I love like their whole vibe. The fashion, the hair, the makeup, like everything like that was beautiful. Very good vibes there. Very pretty. And then just a whole like Barbie house kind of thing, and like just the whole location in general, and like the sets were also very pretty. Hype song, yeah, no complaints. Very nice song. So yeah, alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like, you can follow me on Instagram at Alice on the Internet, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.